remains.
King, it happened right our noses.
Sanibonani babukeli, ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila yonke into right. uHillcare lona wenza i-update namhlanje. Lana sithole i-video lana ku-internet kunosisi okhuluma kabanzi ngale so-called Nigerian king le trend kuma social media. Dangathi uyayazi yena kangcono kunathi. Asumuza ukuthi uthini. Ungakhohle ukuthi ubhekele uHillcare, your go-to source for international updates, real life stories with a pinch of umgosi.
He owns taverns, zonke taverns lapha eStandard ezizama Nigeria zezayo.
No Davido, no Ndondon. So why bemfaka as a king because of that?
No, kaloku originally he comes from a royal wena cala suka kulo.
Okay.
Him like into basuke pha bazokwenzela isiko labo apha doesn't affect us. Naku economy nakwinto na just they should have just notify kind of bavele bazenzele yabo.
So uthi ima so uthi ebesenza iceremony yakhe yapha nothi yalapha.
It's not like ubekwa njenge king ye South Africa, no. King ya Nigerians East London.
Oh, window yakubo.
Bane committees abantu. First of all, mhlawumbe kusuke ngapha eking leyase eJoburg bathibane benza iparty. I affect him lona leyo.
Bayazonwabisa nje kwindawo abahlala kuyo.
Yabo. Hayi mina ndiyazi ba white.
So ngibani igama lakho ngSunny Boy bani?
uSunny Boy. Abizwa ngalo.
Lo muntu ebesenzwa iking. Lo so ichisi ishop yakhe ngo.
Still king.
Abachisanga shop yakhe.
Ishop ngenaphi? And you understand yoba imililo yapi kazini because ayamililo beke iking pha.
What is the fact remains?
King sebekiwe ayizojika lo nto. It happened right our noses. Abanye bebepha besupport besele ngoba yatoyitoya abaphelile utywala. Free ezanto bezivana la free booze everything bekumani. Ngoku
ngoku bayatoyitoya.
Sema indoni mhlamba okubeka kwale king indoni eyatshintsha like apha South Africa or whatsoever.
Kaloku ithi into nokubana how do you come into a new place indawo ongazange wafika kuyo like ungazalonga kuyo then ube sikanti so king apha like it doesn't make sense.
Akayo king apha la muntu.
But
kokwabo. Yebo.
I think also mhlamba abantu didn't understand.
They didn't understand. They should have understood the process of being sakuvele umuntu uthathwe nje umuntu avele azokwenza king apha. La muntu wana here to be mhlamba aqale be principal aba chief ngoku uzoba king because abantu bane njengabezulu aba ba process style yabo